What's up, YouTube? Today we're working on a 2007 Land Rover Discovery LR3 Discovers from 2004 to 2009. We're going to be doing a wrap on it, and I'm going to show you how to remove the door handles properly. I've seen another video and I was following the steps on the video, but it did not work. I broke this little tiny clips right here, right there, following that video, so it wasn't clear on how to do it. So I figured out a very safe way to do it without damaging this, because if you break this, it's literally not going to work anymore. So the way to do it is by removing the door panel. After you remove the door panel, you have to remove the window, which is pretty simple to remove. The window is held by these clips, and literally you have to just press them out. It has one on this side. Well, now that the window is out, it has one on this side and it has one on this side. The one from this side, you can access it through this grommet, and the other one you can just access it up here. So literally you just loosen it up, you roll the window up, and then you access it here. So the problem is, and why you cannot do it from the outside, is because these clips are literally right here, and there's literally no way to get to them without breaking them. As you can see, I broke one of them, so I have to order a new one. So once you remove all of this, you're going to have access behind the door handle and the door cap. It's hard to see through here, but it is back there. So what I did is I placed my flashlight right there, and through this clip hole you can actually see my hand on the other side, right? That is the hole of the door handle. So that's exactly where you're going to see the clips. So what I use a tool like this, so I can go in there and kind of pry it. The only thing is kind of hard to see that where exactly the clip is, but I use this bottom little hole right there. And let me see if I can get it on the phone. Well, it's somewhere there. It's kind of difficult to see. You know, it's kind of difficult to see. Oh, there it is. You can see they're moving. Okay, so from there, once you access it, what you're gonna do is you're gonna press this down with that tool one by one. So if you do the bottom one or if you do the top one, what you're gonna do is you press it with your tool, and then you're gonna, with your other hand from the outside, you're gonna grab this cap, and once you're pressing that tool, you're gonna do this. You're gonna tilt it, and then you're gonna do the bottom one and tilt it, and then it's gonna come out, and then it has this clip which just slides out. That is the proper way to get this without breaking them. And then once you get to the other handle, it's pretty straightforward. This handle is just this clip. So this clip, what you want to do is, so the handle goes like this, right? And then you're gonna see this clip. So this clip is held into another little section, and all you gotta do is this. Just bend it a little bit, and then it releases. So once you bend this, all you're gonna do is slide it backwards, and that should release the whole handle. Unfortunately, you have to remove everything so you can get to it, but this is the safe way to do it. I saw other videos, like I said, and it got me to this, and this is what you don't want. Although these are not a very expensive part, because you can buy it from eBay or just from the dealer, but you know, it's gonna cost you like 40 bucks. That's what this one cost me. It cost me $40. Yes, it is a little bit more time to get everything done right, but you avoid any problem. And the reason why we did this is because we're going to wrap the car. So yeah, I hope that this video is useful, and you guys get to take these things out without any damage. I know that this works for the LR3 2004 to 2009 Discovery. I'm not quite sure if it actually works for the previous years or the previous generation. Usually there is a screw right there that you can just loosen up and then the cap pops out. It does have it on the driver's side, but the rest of them don't have it. This is the one that I broke. So yeah, give likes, subscribe, and I hope to make more content for you anytime soon over here. Have a good one, YouTube.